How can I fix Siri not speaking on my iPhone or iPad?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to fix Siri not speaking on your iPhone or iPad. Siri is a handy virtual assistant, but it can be frustrating when it doesn't respond audibly. Don't worry, though, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through a few troubleshooting steps to get Siri speaking again. Let's dive in.
Check Siri's volume and mute settings.
The first thing to check is the volume and mute settings on your device. Siri's voice may not be audible if the volume is too low or if your device is set to silent mode. Here's what you can do. 1. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone or iPad to increase the volume. 2. Make sure the mute switch on the side of your device is not enabled. If it is, toggle it to the off position. Remember to check both the ringer volume and media volume, as Siri's voice may be affected by either of them.
Enable Siri's voice feedback.
Sometimes, Siri's voice feedback setting may have been inadvertently turned off. To ensure that Siri speaks aloud, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. 3. Look for the Voice Feedback option and select it. 4. Choose the Always On or Control with Ring Switch option. The latter option will make Siri respect your device's silent mode. Enabling voice feedback ensures that Siri responds audibly to your commands and inquiries.
Check language and Siri voice settings.
Siri's voice may not be speaking if the language or Siri voice settings are misconfigured. To verify and adjust these settings, do the following. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on Siri and search. 3. Select Language and ensure that the correct language is chosen. 4. Go back and choose Siri voice. 5. Select a Siri voice that you prefer. If the language or Siri voice settings were incorrect, correcting them should resolve the issue of Siri not speaking.
Restart your iPhone or iPad.
If the previous steps didn't solve the problem, a simple restart can often do the trick. Follow these steps to restart your iPhone or iPad. 1. Press and hold the power button, or the power button and volume button, depending on your device, until the Slide to Power Off slider appears. 2. Slide the Power Off slider to turn off your device. 3. After your device is completely off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Once your device restarts, check if Siri's voice is working properly.
Update iOS to the latest version.
Outdated software can sometimes cause issues with Siri's functionality. To ensure that your device is running the latest iOS version, 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Select Software Update. 4. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Updating your iOS to the latest version can address any underlying bugs or glitches that may be affecting Siri. That's a wrap for today's video on how to fix Siri not speaking on your iPhone or iPad. We covered several troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue. Remember, it's important to check the volume and mute settings, enable Siri's voice feedback, verify language and Siri voice settings, restart your device, and update to the latest iOS version. We